SOLIDWORKS Visualize is software that allows us to create very high quality images and animations from CAD files. Even CAD files have been created in other applications other than SOLIDWORKS itself. Visualize renders scenes in CAD models using realistic textures, lighting and materials to create stunning photorealistic results. The outputs from Visualize are perfect for creating materials such as product presentations, marketing collateral, website content, brochures, magazines and right through to really powerful video. Importantly, all of the work can be done within Visualize without the expense of creating a real-world model or a prototype, and we don't have to wait until our product is actually in production before we can produce imagery. Apart from photorealistic images, Visualize can also produce animations and video to the latest standards, including 360-degree interactive content where we can manipulate models, as well as 360-degree panoramas. We're also able to create something we call extended reality, which allows us to do virtual walkthroughs. Now, we've got customers across all industries that use Visualize, and within those companies, the actual users may include product designers, graphic designers, marketing teams, and the actual design engineers themselves. But Visualize is a standalone product. It's not part of SOLIDWORKS itself and can actually be run on a completely separate machine to SOLIDWORKS by a completely different user. Visualize seamlessly connects to SOLIDWORKS CAD models, so a change in the design is reflected in renderings, so SOLIDWORKS designers can work concurrently with a graphic designer who's producing the media or marketing material while the product is still in its design phase. Previously, images of CAD models might have been created from screenshots from SOLIDWORKS, maybe using something like RealView. Visualize has much more control of the output though, so the options allow us to produce really high resolution images, ideal for things like print. It's easy and fast to set up. We can import other CAD models from free sources like GrabCAD. This allows us to add them to our image or our scene to improve the results. Now, you could argue that nothing actually beats a photograph, but consider this. Visualize allows us to create all of this material without the cost of producing a physical prototype, and we can do lots of clever manipulation of the images, such as transparencies or cutaways. We can switch colour variations and create exploded views of our model. We can show our designs at their very best. Well, there are other rendering tools available out there as well. They're all very capable, but the fact that SOLIDWORKS Visualize can be linked to the SOLIDWORKS CAD model means that setup's quicker and easier, and changes that we make to the design model can be updated in the Visualize environment with simply a click of a button. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is easy to learn. Visualize has two editions. We have Standard and we have Professional. Visualize Standard is for creating our static photorealistic images, and it has a one-day training course. Visualize Professional is used to create our animated and interactive content. This also has a single-day training course. Additionally, Visualize comes from the SOLIDWORKS stable, so as such it borrows much of its workflow from SOLIDWORKS itself. So an existing SOLIDWORKS user will pick this up really quickly. They can adapt and recognise that you can bring through appearances, camera views and animations that have already been set up in SOLIDWORKS itself.